Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video, I'm going to keep it as short as possible. I'm going to be talking about detangling my hair during winter and what I'm experiencing while detangling my hair and just the general state of the detangling process during winter. Now, winter time in South Africa, my hair does behave differently compared to the warmer months. And I'm finding that detangling is taking a lot longer than it does during the warmer months. Now that it's a lot colder, I'm finding that my hair is contracting more. My type 4 hair at the back is quite difficult to detangle. I'm using more product. I'm saturating my hair with water more just to help with the detangling process. And during winter, this is something that I do always experience during the winter time. My type 4 hair at the back and my tighter curls during the colder months requires me to deep condition twice a week because my hair gets so knotty and so matted and it really does start to dry out and I don't want my hair to break. So I have to keep adding the moisture that it needs. During the warmer months, I do not need to do this, but during winter right now in South Africa, I'm finding that I have to deep condition twice a week. I have to be adding more product during the detangling process. Detangling is taking a lot longer. I'm still finger detangling. I think for me personally, using a comb or any hair tool will, even if it's a Denman brush or a wide tooth comb, I'm still finding that I've got to go in and separate the hair with my fingers very, very slowly, just to make sure that my hair doesn't break. So this is just a bit of an update for you guys to let you know that my hair is a lot more knotty, it is a lot more dry, and I have to take extra care of my hair during these colder months. Let me know in the comments, how is your hair cooperating with you during the colder months, and are you switching up your routine a little bit during these cold months or during winter time in general? This video is also a bit of an honest video to let you guys know that as healthy as my hair is, and with me really being conscious about the health of my hair, I have to listen to my hair, and whatever it needs, I have to add. If it wants more deep conditioning, I'm going to do that. If it wants me to take longer to detangle, that's what I have to do. If I have to be adding more product and more water to help with the detangling, I'm doing all of those things, which means my wash days are a little bit longer. Let me know how it's going for you in the comments. Thanks as always guys for watching, and I'll see you again. Take care.